Grand Rising, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Today is potato harvesting day. It's been over 90 days since we planted these potatoes. So now we finna see what Yahweh have gifted us. How should we do this, y'all? I don't know. Hey, Bell Bell. Well, today is the day. Like a one cut, ain't no turning back now. Ain't no turning back now, y'all. We just gotta do what we gotta do. You see that, grandbabe? Hey, Woo Babe. You see that? Grandma just throwing plants, huh? Hey, Grandma, what you doing your tree? He just looking like, Grandma, what you doing? All right. There we go. You see that, Woo Babe? Say, Grandma, what you do? Say, Grandma, what you do? Look, I done cut that and all, and the sun done came out. Gotta move this out my grandson's view. Come on, let me see what your grandma do. Come sit right here. You watch your grandma. Ugh. All right. You see it, Valerie? Well, Woo Baby, Grandma needs you in charge of the bucket. You stay in charge of the bucket, okay? Girl, it got spiders in here. Maybe I should put some gloves on. Young man, what are you doing, sir? Well, so far I see one potato and I see mushrooms. Wait a minute. Tiara, look. I'm doing the bucket of potatoes. I'm doing the bucket of potatoes. What? Oh, wow. Look at there, y'all. Let me show y'all something. Let me bring y'all closer. Y'all see that? I don't know what this is. I hope it ain't rotten. But it got something. I think I waited too long. Not for sure. Look, it's some roots going right here. They probably didn't have enough space. But, gotta put my gloves back on. Got them, you know they probably got them tiny worms up in here. I said, how you gonna love the dirt, but scared of the bugs? I don't know, but it is what it is. I'm sorry if I'm moving y'all back and forth. But that's the bucket it came out of. And here go the big old brick. So, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Oh, you know what? I think I'm going to use this bucket to add the dirt back up in it so I won't have to do 2 jobs at once. So, let's go this way. Well, so far I know I have 1 potato because I seen that poking out. I don't know what this stuff is. I had plastic bucket. Well, they had good roots. I guess I just probably should have let it grow a little bit longer. Who knows? Oh, goodness, y'all. I think they got eaten. Look what's up in here. Y'all see this? This was, I know y'all see what this is. It grew. Lord. This batch might not be no good because of what was growing up in here. And I didn't even know. Look, y'all. We got something. Here go one, y'all. Here go 1 potato. Oh, we should have let it grow a little bit more. Look, we got baby ones that was still growing. Look at my grandson. He trying to get what I threw in there. Yeah, Alex. Oh, no, I'm good. Some stuff was growing up in here. I'm glad I came up in here. I'm glad I came in here, y'all. Because I think the potatoes would have got eaten. Because I don't know if y'all can see, but we're infested with ants. So I think I am kind of glad I came up in here. Because we're going to have to eat that one. The answers is all over the place. I promise. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't have no tripod. But here go the root that those is coming from. Now go the thing where the potato was living. I mean, my starter. I'm sorry, where the potato was living. They was living in this bucket. We got a lot of baby potatoes. Look, is enough to feed you, Woo? Look at him. He just trying to get it. Woo, baby. Grandma Bay. Christopher. Woo, babe. Look what we found, grandson. I told you we was going to harvest the potatoes. Remember the potatoes you planted? Ooh, see? This is what I was talking about, y'all. I'm glad I came up in here. Remember, I just said don't touch it. Remember, I said it's ants and stuff that was living up in here. I should have been harvested. Look what happened. It's full. No, it's, well, yeah, it started growing again. And it's just, yeah, it started growing again. Wait, babe, don't touch it because it got the nasty right here. I don't want you to put your hand in that one.
I see it. I see another one.
Yeah, I guess that's where the potato was growing. I'm sorry, y'all, for having y'all all over the place, but like I said, I don't have a tripod. No, grandbabies. These are my grandsons. I got 4 grandboys. Give it to grandma. Thank you, big boy. No, don't let Woo baby get it, okay? I'm sweating, y'all. Nope. My grandson want to plant it back. Can y'all come bring me them back? No. Put it back in the bucket, grandbaby. Look, grandson said it don't supposed to be here. It needs to go back. It ain't ready. He said it ain't ready. Delora, stop. Pee-wee ain't did nothing, TJ. Okay, but sorry about that. Well, I ain't apologize for being a grandma. Look at y'all. Look at this big old bunch. Y'all see this? I'm sorry. I'm in her way. Look, y'all. Potatoes. Stop, D-Dup. See how they grow? Delora. Delora. No, grandbaby. This one hard to get off, y'all.
See some more?
Yep, some more, grandson.
Oh, I see no more.
You seen some more?
No. Oh, I see it!
You do?
Yeah.
There you go.
You got it.
They fell off my face, baby. It's okay.
You see some more?
No, not yet. We still looking.
You see some more?
Yeah, I see some more.
Okay. Yeah, big one. You see no more? You see some more?
Oop, there goes some more.
Yeah,
There goes some more, grandbaby. Look. Here go big one.
Yeah, big one.
Chris, we got a lot, huh? Yep, just from 3 potatoes, we got a lot so far.
4, 9, 8, 9, 4, 8, 7, 9, 3, 4, 9,
Oh, wow.
7, 18. Yay!
How many you think we have?
4.
4? I thought 4 was only these many. Although we have more than that. These many. Y'all got me talking like y'all.
I don't see no more.
You don't see it? Because we still looking.
You see it? You got 9.
Grandma over here sweating.
I don't see no more. There must be some more. I almost got 7.
Oh, we got another ookie one. There's a lot of potatoes right here, y'all. I can feel them. Well, it's enough. Some big ones.
I see some more. You see some more?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can you get the umbrella for Woo Babe? Can you get the umbrella for Prince Navi, please? Thank you. Oh, they're so cute. See, we'd have had more baby potential potatoes. I should have let it go a little longer, right? But I think they keep growing and growing. I don't know.
I don't see.
This is my first time growing potatoes where I was able to harvest because
I don't see.
I used to have a house in California. I used to live on half of an acre, and I had a garden there as well. But by the time it was time to harvest the potatoes, we moved. So that's why ever since then I was like, nope, I'm not going to do a garden unless I know I'm going to be there for a long time or it's my own. So that's why we had this big old garden now. See? Don't use your foot, sir. Don't use your foot. Thank you. Grandma got it. That's why Grandma put on gloves so she can do it, okay? I'll do it for you. You can put it in there, but I'll get them for you.
I got this.
Yeah, half of the bucket could have been waited for and just harvest one side because the other side was not ready. See, they even had little baby ones that was still growing. Well, we're almost there to the end. I think that's it, y'all. Stop, don't squish it. I got it. Grandma got it.
Grandma got 7.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see no more.
That's it, y'all. No more. Out of 3 potatoes, we got this. I think it was 3 potato slits. I don't know how many potato slits it was, but because I didn't write it down. I was just excited to do it. Very excited to do it. But this one stuck on there. Oh, we're gonna have to eat that one, y'all. Look what I did. But that's all our potatoes. That's our harvest for our potatoes. We're gonna plant some more because we still can get some more. I have some slits in the house, but this is our potato harvest. I don't weigh it. I'm not gonna weigh it. That was a piece of onion that didn't break down from the compost. Oh wow. But yeah, I think I did really good. I think we did really good. They could have dried a little bit more because look, the skin coming off. I hope that's not a problem. But I'm going to just sit them and just let them cure or whatever. Put them on the rack. Let them dry out. But they so cute. Well, if nothing else, it feeds my grandbabies. They love french fries. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a divine life, blessing, journey. And we'll see y'all on the next time. Thank you. Look at this boy. You don't supposed to do that, I don't think. We're trying to get the dirt off of it.
Let me come up first.
We need to cover it up. We're going to do another one, grandson. So we can grow some more later, okay? You're going to empty that. All right. Till then. Tell the people. Tell the people.
See you later.
Love you. Have a blessed one.